Assign and remove departments or jobs for each employee. If you have multiple jobs and/or departments you want to track and report labor costing for, but you only want your employees to be able to see and assign hours to the jobs and departments relevant to them, here's how you can set this up. Log into Smartly and click on Employee Details on the left-hand taskbar. Now click on Employee List and highlight the employee you want to make changes to. In this instance, we're going to use Delilah. Once you have selected the employee, scroll down on the left-hand taskbar and select Employee Costing. Once here, make sure you have selected Enter Costing at Pay Time before you assign relevant departments or jobs to your employee. Enter Costing at Pay Time enables users to cost time entries when submitting timesheets using the Smartly mobile app. Now click on Add Departments or Jobs button. From the pop-up screen, tick on the departments and/or jobs that are relevant to your employee and click OK. Now click Save to make sure your changes gets registered. Now you will be able to see the departments and jobs you have selected for your employee. If you want to remove any of it, simply click the rubbish bin on the right-hand side. If you'd like to assign more departments or jobs, click on Add Departments or Jobs button once again and select from the pop-up screen and click OK. If you're happy with the changes you have made, make sure to scroll down and hit the Save button. Now let's look at what your employees will see when they're submitting hours using the mobile app. If you don't assign relevant departments or jobs for an employee, they will have the option of selecting from all the departments you have available for your business. If you have assigned departments or jobs relevant for your employee, they will only see the ones relevant to them on their app. This will make it easier for them to choose where to cost their hours to when submitting their timesheets. Easy! Check out Smartly's full labor costing guide for step-by-step instructions on how to set up and use the new added improvement. Click the link on the description below.